Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have the recipe for you of a flawless almond or peanut butter chocolate chip muffin. They are completely flawless and absolutely amazing. I think this is going to be my go-to muffin for life. So let me show you what it looks like and maybe I'll do a taste test too. So here they are. Look at that. Okay. And let me peel one open and show you how soft it is and how beautifully it's risen without any flour. Look at that. I want to show you how soft it is. It is absolutely, I'm going to take a little piece from the bottom. Absolutely amazing. So let's go to my kitchen and let's get cooking. So let's begin. You take a blender and put in 1 cup of almond butter or peanut butter. You can use either. Hey Snickers, yes, I'm cooking. Half a cup of a sweetener of your choice. I've used a Stevia erythritol blend. Next, go in 4 eggs straight into the blender. We have half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Give it a good blitz. Add a little pinch of salt too. I've added now some Stevia sweetened chocolate chips. We are going to fill these in and bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 18 to 20 minutes. And here they are. Absolutely amazing. So thanks for watching.